Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making chocolate peanut butter cups. To a double boiler, add half cup dark chocolate, half cup milk chocolate and allow it to melt. In another bowl, add 3 tablespoons melted crunchy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and mix it until well combined and set aside. Now check on the chocolate. Give it a stir and the chocolate has melted. Start adding 2 tablespoons melted chocolate to each silicone mold. Then add half tablespoon prepared peanut butter mixture. Spread it evenly. Then again add 2 tablespoons melted chocolate. Make sure the peanut butter is covered evenly with chocolate. Now place the molds in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Do not freeze them. Unmold the chocolates carefully. Chocolate peanut butter cups are ready to serve. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.